think Chandu has protracted here.
Chandra, she was asking me actually. I don't know. I'm just confused because she herself has class at 8 o'clock. No, she herself has a class at till 7:30 of yours or 8. So I'm just confused whether to take at 8 o'clock or 7:30. So you both are okay with 8 o'clock, right? 8 to 9?
Yep.
Uh, Okay, so Chandu, we have done this one 1 centimeter, then the double line, and this is 1 centimeter, and this is 1.5 centimeter. And then we mark with our scale here in inches, not centimeters, inches, at every half 0, 1, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, and so on. And here also we have marked the same at inches. Now we are going to make center line. First, we are going to join this. These lines are going to be very light. So the first one we are going to mark here, and the second.
Ma'am, how many inches did you mark?
What?
Which inches did you mark?
Every half inch I have marked it. 0, half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 in that way. Here and here I have marked. Top and to my left corner. Okay. And now I'm going to draw the lines. So when you don't have protractor, this is the method. But see, we'll practice a few seeing the references. After that, we'll try to make our own because so we have practiced a number of designs by the time we make some 6 or 7. So from 8 or 10th onwards, we'll start doing our own projects. Okay. We have to create our own things because you people are going to have your YouTube channels. We can't post a copied one in that. Okay. So try something on your own.
Ma'am, I feel like the lines are too short.
We have we can erase few in the middle later.
Okay.
So, I just want to do this with blues, using my blue pens. The very first one, I'm going to give my center line here. Center. And there are so many lines here. So we don't want so many. So what we'll do, we'll just give one, divide this into half, and this also half, and one more.
What, ma'am?
We have n number of lines here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are going to mark the center line first. This one.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, did you do that with blue color?
Yeah. How so many of that? All blues are one and same. Same blues. Why so many? Yeah, this is blue. Take your dark blue and do this. Okay.
How many sections did you divide it, ma'am?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 lines and 5 sections.
Okay.
Take a very light Sharpie, okay? And after this, draw the curve. Draw even this. Okay. Draw the curve.
Ma'am, shouldn't it be 3 lines? Because they divided it into like equal spaces.
Actually, my center line and these lines, like I have 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 either side. Have the center line.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Can I also do one either side?
yeah, but maybe 4 or 5 will be fine. Yeah, maybe 3. Right, you can do that. 3 either side, or 2, like 1 either side.
Mm-hmm.
And when you erase, it looks like this. Now erase all the lines, whatever are there in the middle.
Ma'am, so did you draw the double line
Yes, I'm
with blue?
now I'm drawing the double line.
Oh, okay, okay.
And this part I'm filling it with dark color. Okay, and I'm making small rounds in this area. Small round, and I'm taking my light color. Small round and extend this to this border. Small round and extend this. If at all you take 3 rounds, that looks more beautiful. This one. Rather than 5, 3 rounds will make sense. And then give with dark blue. Another circle. First light blue, dark blue, and then now light blue lines.
Ma'am, so what color did you draw the line with?
Dark blue. These lines I'm doing with, is it not visible? Shall I zoom up? Shall I pin this?
Wait, can you zoom it in? That's fine.
Draw lines very, very near. Take your time. Adya, try to make the lines very much perfect and the curves very neat. Okay. Never mind if at all we take a little bit of time. Now count the lines. See that you're joining at 1 to 3rd line. Okay. 1, 2. See the distance and do it. Leave one line and draw the lines. Draw the curves. Adia, buy one A3 size book. We'll just do in that a big one.
Ma'am, what are the measurements of A3?
A3. Okay, I'll let you know. This is A5, right? This is A5.
Yeah.
You give another A5 here side by this side, it is A4.
A4 plus A4 is A3.
Two A4s is A3.
Wait, Adya, wait.
Yeah, that is A3, I think. Meena is working. Meenakshi is working A3. Right, Meenakshi?
Yeah. It's like 17 over 12.
Okay, it's between,
Or 16.5 over 11.7.
it is between A3 and A4.
Inches.
Yeah.
It's A3.
Hmm. Name it will be written A3 200 JSM sketching paper for sketching paper or mixed media. Anything you can take for mandala art. Okay. So I have colored a little bit of more dark over here, and then now I'm going with the lighter shade, putting some filling this and
Ma'am, what are we doing there?
leaving some gaps and filling with light blue. I saw one reference, but here this I'm doing something else. I'm not going exactly with the reference. In between, fill with dark blue and give a small white dot. Leave some white dot over here. Okay, now it's time for compress. Now this is going to be 1 centimeter. From this corner, it is 5 centimeters. Okay, and make one small inside circle.
Ma'am, how much is that?
1 centimeter. sorry, from here it is 5 centimeters from the center. Okay. And one I made inside a little bit having some gap where I can draw some circles inside this. Okay. And one you draw in between. And next one at 6. Now let me put this design in this way. Okay, I think I need to draw one with a pencil, one center line from here for the perfect circle. Just make a half of this and draw this imaginary circle which we are going to erase. Okay. And after that, make these circles. I started at first, left 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one I made. So I'll start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See that you are touching this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you're getting this? Adya, Meenakshi, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Start from this here and draw the circles, the ovals. Erase the pencil marks. With light blue, draw a line and a dot. Line and dot. Line and dot. We'll just leave this area empty. And draw the circles with a darker shade. Filling part we'll see later. First we'll complete the design.
Ma'am, I think I drew the ovals too small because they're not reaching the line.
Ah, it's looking nice.
They're not reaching this line.
It's okay. No problem. We'll fill that line. We'll fill that space with dark shade. Okay. See, because we are doing with freehand and there is no exact measurement, we are just doing according to different scales, right? So everyone's picture will be different. You can form your own designs. Don't worry about that. And if at all we have protractor here, this will be very useful over here because we can get the correct points. See, now if at all I have my protractor over here, like Meenakshi, try to get the protractor. You get this, and we have points. See, we have lines like this is one line, this is one line, this is one line. So I'll just say the count, Meenakshi. You can just erase the lines.
How does this look?
1 second, no? One second. Yeah, show me, Meenakshi. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. If you have protractor, you can have this way. And we can form make a center point. Take the center point, do this curve, and build flags. You can do them bigger one.
This one.
Yes. Oh, okay. Do you have any darker shade than that,
Ma'am?
Meenakshi? Any dark shade?
On the camera, it's like light,
Yeah.
but it is dark.
Okay, it's looking very light
On the
actually.
camera, it's very light.
It looks like very light.
Yeah, it's, on the camera, it's very light.
Oh,
Photo.
okay.
Yeah, take a photo and send.
Oh, okay. Okay, here what I'll do, I'll just give some rounds with light color, light blue, and then fill it. College कल्पना कैसे?
Send you a picture.
Mhm. Yeah, looking nice. You can just fill this area. Okay, you give ball. I gave ovals and you give balls. Why didn't you make these balls like a flower? Meenakshi?
Ma'am, which box?
Wait, let me tell you. I'll just do it and post it to you.
Okay.
Oh my God. It didn't come that perfect, but check the picture. Maybe you can make some flowers like thing over there with the same dark color. Make it a circle. You made three, right?
Like how, like flowers?
Yeah, you made three, right?
Yeah, like 4. Yeah.
You make it 5 or 6 or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Giving some gap, 5 or 6. Let the bottom one be same. Like you have a gap, like make it round. And these inside just give light line. What's the time? Okay, and after this, color this part with blue. Okay, I'll share this. Try to complete this weekend. Okay. The next class, I think we'll complete this. Arya, what did you do?
What, ma'am?
Can I see your work? So you are doing only with one color.
Yeah, I don't have anything lighter.
You don't have light color. You have brush pens.
Yeah, but they're really thick.
Brush pens, you have light shades in that. Just check once.
Yeah, but they're pretty thick.
No. You can use brush pens for filling. Okay, I
Yeah.
have shared this part, this video. I didn't follow exactly the same, but in that you have where you can use brush pens for filling part. And at one place it is very light. So what you do is first give a light shade and then brush it with water a little bit. You get that very light shade also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, try that way. This week mandala. And say expecting more landscapes from you. Adya. Any more landscapes?
As of now, not really, but probably.
Probably yes. Depending on the mood and all, right? Yeah. Meenakshi, how about yours? The big projects, what are going on there?
I only did the two